Hey guys, this is how you're going to install the Xerox software so you can secure print from the new Xerox machines. This is the PDF file that's in your email, so let's get to it. So you're going to go to your desktop and go to the DISD Software Center. And if it's not already over here in the front, oops, it's still loading. It's this one right here, the paper cut print deploy client. And then you're going to go ahead and click on install. Okay, once it starts installing, it'll automatically, after you log in, I'm sorry, it'll start installing everything automatically, and you just wait for it to install. And it's going to automatically start looking for your drivers. So just let it do its thing. Okay, once it's installed, it's going to pop up like this, and it's going to say paper cut, and you log in with your DISD credentials. Once it's installed, it's going to say that it's going to show the IP address and that everything was installed correctly. And that's all you have to do. Now, the next time you print, you're going to make sure that you secure print to the one that says Xerox 3, PR3 Mobility, and that's all in that PDF that's right there. So the next time you print something, you're going to make sure that if you secure print, you're going to select that Xerox printer. I'm printing from Google Docs, so if you don't see it, just click on See More, and there it is. It's going to be the Paper Cut Secure Print Xerox machine, and that's how you do secure print. So if you need any help with that, or if you know that it is not working, please submit a ticket so Athena can come over and help you handle that situation. So I hope this tutorial helped you out.